we go. Alright, so you're going to feel this table go like that, okay? It's going to feel kind of funky, like that. I don't think I did that to your brother. Did I do that to your brother? I don't know if I did. Good, I'm going to do your other joint. Tap in there a little bit on those joints, and you're going to feel a little tap in there. All right, I'm going to use a smaller because you got small bones in there, bud. Good. Give me a tickle. A little bit, right? Did you turn up the music? But I certainly don't think kids pose a problem. Yeah, I don't. You know, I think kids, you should worry more about the flu than anything else. I'm not even joking. You know? And I'm not going to give my kid a flu shot. Yeah. You know, with you, I mean, I don't know.
I wouldn't. I grew up without it, so I don't know. Even though it's not a requirement in school.
Now is? Flu shot for a kid? I did not know that.
Yes, religious beliefs, stuff like that.
Alright, buddy, I want you to lay down on your side here. Alright, and face the doorway. So bring this arm all the way through.
Pick up your arm.
Pick up your arm, bring it all the way to the front. Good, over here, bud. Alright. Here we go. Don't roll off the table. Alright? Are you rolling off the table? Alright, bud. Give me your arm. You're going to put your arm right over here. Stay there. Hold on. Head's going to come over here. This way. Right there. Alrighty. No, don't look down. Look over here. Look at her. Look at her. Here we go. Look down. Alright. Hold on. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to bring it over here. This goes here. And this goes here. Perfect. Hold on. Good. We're going to come right over here. Right there, buddy. You can look at her. Alright. So hold on. You won't fall off the table. No, let your leg relax. Good. Let it go, bud. A little bit more. Let it go. Good. There you go. Come on your other side. Do you feel that? These little bones, man. How'd that feel? Good? Alright. So over here. Turn you a little bit. Oh, you gotta catch his face on this side. This kid's too adorable. Are you kidding me? Okay. Come over here. Alright, you gotta look at her. Are you looking at her? Are you looking at her? You're not looking at her? Okay. Alright. Let me do my job. Now let this go. Just relax. Good. And a little boo-boo there. Alright. Here we go. Over here. Alright. There we go, buddy. Good. That's nice. There we go. Go on your back. Go on your back. Good. Bring this down. So what you can do for him, because you come in, his hips are internally rotated, you can do this. Frequently. Stretch them out like that. Right? You may hear a pop.
Yeah.
Perfectly okay. Perfectly okay. Alright? You didn't break anything. You can't break anything. Alright? These kids are like gum. Alright? I'm not even joking. But his hips are very tight in here. Right? That's why he's squirming. That's why he's squirming in there. But the more these get more, the reason why there's no flexibility inside there is because his hips are internally rotated since birth.
Yeah.
So you want to loosen that up, stretch them out, and then stretch this muscle here also because it's very tender. Very tender. Okay? Good. When I was a kid, I had chronically tight hamstrings, and I was short. And then
they did this stretching thing when I was a kid, and one summer I just grew like 3 or 4 inches. It was crazy. That's how I developed that Schlotteris.
Oh, you already know what to do? You're all set? You're all set? You're all ready? All right. Good. A little tight in there, huh? Look at that. A little ticklish in there? Oh, yeah. All right. A little ticklish in there. Hold on. Come here. Good. Good. Excellent. All right. Let's see if we can bring his leg all the way up like his brother. How's that feel? Not too good? Feels pretty good? All right. All right. Let's try this side. Ready? Hold on. Come up here. How's that feel? Pretty good? Okay. Move your toe. You moving your toe? Okay. You ticklish in here? Okay, just want to check. Good. All right. Good. Just check your knee, bud. Knee's good. Brother drinking the water? Well, alrighty, hands are going to come over here. Here we go. Let's see how we're doing here. Alright, scooch up to me a little bit. Scooch up. Scoochy, scoochy, right there. Alright. Let's see how we're doing here. You got a mustache also. Oh my goodness. I think your mustache might be thicker than your brother's. What do you think? Yeah. Alright. Does that tickle? No? Yes? You talk too much. Alright. Relax your shoulders. Let these just drop. Nice and easy. There you go. Hold on a second. Let me see something. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. I'm a little worried there for a second. Alright. So I'm going to turn your head a little bit. Just a little bit like this. Like that. Alright? How are we doing so far? Just a little, tiny little adjustment here. You're going to hear a little popcorn right inside there. Do you like popcorn? Flavored popcorn? What's your favorite flavor of popcorn? I like cheddar. Hold on a second. Wait a second. You're looking right inside here. That's it. Good. Hold on a second. Just going to do a little tiny little adjustment here, okay? Just like that. How did it feel? Good? Did you get the popcorn? I told you there was popcorn in there. I told you there was popcorn. Alright, let's try one more side. Alright. Good. So did your other son have any problems with his hips at all, or no. Toes in or anything? No. We'll bring it right over here. Hold on a second. Just like that. I think you have a little popcorn inside here too. It's coming out of your ears. Okay, come right inside here. Hold on. Good. There goes the popcorn. It's right inside here. Oh my goodness. How was that? Did that hurt? No. Oh my goodness, okay. It didn't hurt. Alright, good. It's not supposed to hurt. It only hurts Daddy when I do it to him, that's all. Good. How's that feel? Good? Let's see what's going on here. Good, much better.
Some kids who throw their spine out of whack a lot of times, they went to bed for years. They have no idea why it happens. Go and sit up. Roll set. 1, 2, 3. Oh, go on that side. Wave to the camera. Say hello. Hello. I'm going to Disney. All set. Jason Tirado. If you're new to the channel, then just click below and you can subscribe and you'll get new videos sent to your email box every single week. If you like these videos, please support my channel by checking out my Crackkamaniac t-shirts by clicking on the link below. And also, I really appreciate those people that support me through things like PayPal and Patreon and also sponsoring individual videos. You know what, I really couldn't make these videos without you guys, so I thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon. I'll check you out next week.